Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Saplings. In this video, we'll see how Python is interactive language, libraries used in Python, how to comment in Python, and we'll have a brief introduction on variables, data types, and typecasting in Python. Let's get started. Hope everyone have installed Anaconda Navigator and launched. This is important for this. Kindly open command prompt in the desktop. Just type CMD in the search bar. You'll get the command prompt to be opened. Next, after opening command prompt, type python space 2 dash with version. You will get the version of your Python installed. Done. You will get the version displayed. Once this is done, just type Python. After which you should get 3 greater than symbol, which means this is the place where you have to start your coding. See here? Just type the code, Python language code. Print any string you print. You should get the output. This is similar to the Jupyter notebook, whatever I showed you all. Correct? The only difference is I'm just doing it in command prompt directly rather than opening Anaconda Navigator and launching Jupyter Notebook. This is why it is interactive language. Interpreter, we are interacting directly with the interpreter to write our programs, correct? See, x is equal to float of 20.5. When I'm printing this variable, I'm getting the output. This is why Python is interactive and interpretive language. Next. Here are some of the libraries used in Python. NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data analysis, SkyPy is for scientific purpose, Django is for backend server purpose and website creation. That will have a brief introduction in the upcoming classes, so don't worry. Next, how exactly to comment in Python? What exactly is comment? Comment is something in programming language which is written with the code but not executed. That means interpreter will not interpret this line. Whatever, if it is commented, it will not interpret or execute the line. Understood? It is just used for explaining the code. See here, hashtag is the single line comment program to find the number as positive, zero, or negative number. It makes us understand, correct? What exactly the program is about. We are able to see this. We are able to understand by looking at this comment itself. Oh, this is the program to find number as positive, zero, or negative number. And here also, it takes float data type as input. We are mentioning it. And this is multiple line comment. That is giving double quotes 3 times. Understood? This is multiple line commenting. This is single line comments. Done. Next. Variables. What exactly is a variable? Variable is like a container which is containing some data or value. Understood? Say for example, number is a variable which is assigned with the value 1. And when I'm printing this number, whatever it is containing, that should be printed. Now what should be my output? 1 should be my output because it is containing 1 and I should get the 1 as the answer. Then this is what exactly is variable. Next, I'm declaring the same variable 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. How many ever times possible we can declare? But the what you have to understand is when I'm declaring a as 10 and second time the same variable is used for declaring a string. When printing the variable a, I'm getting the updated or newly given answer. Correct? Learn and work hard was second time whatever I did. That is what. Even if I give 10th time also, whatever I have given in the 10th time, that answer only will be printed. Understood? Next. How to delete a variable? Just use del as your keyword. Var is equal to 100. Print var. I'm getting 100. Now I'm deleting this variable itself. Del var. Now I'm trying to print var, but I'm getting error because var is not defined. It is deleted. Understood how to delete a variable? Next. Data types. We have in Python several built-in data types. That is string, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, dictionary, set, boolean, bytes, none type, etc. Take some time for reading this thing. Next. In this example, I have printed the data type of the variable used. That is, type is the keyword should be used for printing. See here, x is equal to 5. We know 5 is integer data type. Now I want to print it. Print type of this variable x. Next, y is equal to 1j. 1j is nothing but complex number, right? 0 plus 1j, real number plus imaginary term, therefore complex. Print y, I'll get 1j. Now print type of y, that is data type of y is complex. Understood how to print the data type of a variable used in the program? Next, how to specifically set to particular data type. Here x is equal to, I'm setting it to specific data type, float of 20.5. I'm printing, I'm getting the output. I'm specifically explicitly mentioning the data type. It is not needed, but still, how to specifically mention? This is how you can mention. This is the syntax. Next, string. What is string? Collection of characters, right? Or group of characters is called string. Character A, B, C, D is called character, right? Here, TECH, grouped and called made a string. Text saplings. When printing string, I should get the whole string to be printed. Now, string of 0. The first character. What is the first character here? T, right? That is what is getting printed. Now 1 to 4, that is from second E to fourth character, it should get printed. I'm getting it. Now 2 to, I'm not giving the end value. That means the whole character should be, whole string should be printed from second term. That is second term means 0, 1, 2. From C to exclamatory mark, I should get it printed. Now multiplication symbol is used for printing the string 2 times, and plus symbol is used for concatenation, that is joining. Text samplings plus welcome to my channel will get printed. And here is another example. To declare a string, you can use single quote, double quote, or 3 times single quotes. Done. Next, list and tuple. List is an ordered collection of data. That means tuple is also similar, which means both are ordered collection of elements. The only difference is, while creating it, we use square brackets in list and parentheses in tuple. The other major difference is list is mutable data type. Mutable. What exactly is mutable? And tuple is immutable data type. That means immutable means the elements which are used cannot be changed once created. Understood? See this example. Tuple, I told you all it is unordered collection. That is, there is no any order that I should begin with a string or data type or integer or float. I can give it in any way. I can give string first, integer, floating. It is mixture of all the data types. Done. Tuple within parentheses I have mentioned. Now list I am declaring within the square brackets. Now list of 2 second term can be assigned with another variable 1000. It is valid syntax. Whereas for tuple I am not supposed to do this. That is why I am getting an error. Tuple object will not support item assignment. Therefore, tuple is immutable, list is mutable. Understood? Next, range. Range is having some syntax, that is start, stop, and step. These values should be mentioned. For I in range, starting from 1, stopping at 0, and stepping, that is moving one step forward, I should get the answer. Print I, that is starting from 1, skip second term, that is going to the third term is 3, skip fourth term 5, 6 is skipped, 7, 8 is skipped, 9, 10 should be skipped, and 11 should be printed, right? No, 11 should not be printed because I have given the stop range as 10. Understood? Next, dictionary. Dictionary will have key and value separated by a colon. Key and its value. Now printing key, third key, which is having, what it is having? Value 3. Understood? When printing the third key, I am getting the value as 3. Understood? Next, set. Set is a ordered, unordered collection of unique elements. It is not ordered. List and tuple are ordered collection of data, whereas set is unordered collection of unique elements. Unique elements. Therefore, see in this example, using curly braces, I have to declare or create a set. And how many other times if I declare the same values repeatedly, I will get it only once displayed in the output. Understood? Therefore, unique elements. None type is representing the absence of any value. That means, see this example. I have used two variables a and b assigned with the value 5 and 7, and I have used another string variable giving a greater than b. That means if a is greater than b, print true or false. Boolean is nothing but true or false, or high or low, or 1 or 0. Understood? Next, print is a greater than b. This variable a is greater than b. 5 is greater than 7. No, right? So I'll get the output as false. Now, how to work with none type? Result is equal to none. None type is declared. If result is none, print the result is not defined. Correct. If result is none, print the result is not defined. Else print the result is defined and has a value. Done. Next. Typecasting. Typecasting is something which is conversion, type conversion, data type conversion. Changing one type of data type to another form. That is, see here, x1 is equal to 3.14. This is floating data type. Now I want to convert this floating to what? Integer. Therefore, I am using another variable. Y1 is equal to int of this floated data types variable x1. Print y1, I should get 3 integer value. Now x2 is equal to 42, which is integer. Now I have to typecast it to float. So y2 is equal to float of x2. Print y2, I'll get 42.0. Understood? This is how typecasting works. Take some time for reading this code. Well, before ending my session, I want you all to give a important update that we'll be working on a small mini project, and I'll be uploading that video also. And also, we'll be discussing in the further upcoming classes about the interview questions. So, stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.